The Weybridge Gardens Collection latest offering, the Alps Edition. In the heart of Dubai, where the vibrant pulse of the city meets the serenity of nature, Weybridge Gardens 3 emerges as a sanctuary of tranquility. At Lios Developments, we have always been inspired by the world's most beautiful landscapes, and for this project, our journey took us to the French Alps. An oasis of natural beauty, freedom, and rustic charm. From these majestic surroundings, our British design team drew inspiration to craft a community that reflects the quiet elegance and allure of alpine living, but with a modern twist tailored to Dubai's contemporary lifestyle. At Lios, we are passionate about creating communities with distinctive identities, and Weybridge Gardens 3, the Alps Edition, is no exception. Weybridge Gardens 3, your gateway to modern living and ultimate convenience. Located just off Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, this alpine-inspired building offers seamless connectivity to all corners of Dubai. Only 22 minutes from the vibrant heart of downtown Dubai, with direct access to the city's major highways. Weybridge Gardens 3 is strategically located in Dubailand, a city within a city, where you're immersed in a vibrant blend of theme parks, shopping malls, and lively residential neighbourhoods. Residents also benefit from access to world-class education and top medical facilities, ensuring convenience and comfort at every turn. Weybridge Gardens 3, the Alps Edition, has been thoughtfully designed with a distinct architectural narrative, effortlessly blending the serene alpine aesthetics of France and Switzerland with the modern vibrancy of Dubai. The exterior and facades of the building draw inspiration from the majestic peaks of the Alps, featuring striking geometric designs and vertical elements. Weybridge Gardens 3 features a ground floor, 4 podium levels of private parking, and 11 residential floors, offering 208 elegantly designed homes. With a perfect fusion of alpine charm and contemporary sophistication, residents can indulge in superior quality living, surrounded by world-class indoor and outdoor amenities that reflect the essence of alpine beauty. Imagine stepping into your own private sanctuary at Weybridge Gardens 3, where each 1- and 3-bedroom residence is designed with an exclusive, private pool tailored for ultimate privacy and luxury. Whether you're starting your day with a refreshing dip or unwinding in the evening under the stars, this private pool is more than just an amenity. It's a personal oasis, crafted to elevate your lifestyle. At Weybridge Gardens 3, every detail is designed to offer an experience of exclusivity and refined living in the heart of Dubai. Our British design team has masterfully crafted interiors that transport the warmth and tranquility of alpine log cabins straight to Dubai. Every home is a blend of contemporary chic and alpine charm, meticulously designed to the highest British standards. Imagine waking up in your serene bedroom, where the calming alpine aesthetic meets luxurious comfort. Spacious living areas invite you to unwind and relax. At Weybridge Gardens 3, every corner is thoughtfully crafted to ensure a perfect blend of luxury and comfort. Our exceptional amenities are designed to elevate your daily living. Relax in the serene saunas, or catch a film under the stars at our outdoor cinema. Stay active and energized in our fully equipped gym. Or find your inner peace in the Zen garden with its soothing waterfall. Connect with nature at our urban farm and treat yourself to fresh pizzas from our Rooftop pizzeria. Step into a world of convenience and comfort at Weybridge Gardens 3, where our spectacular rooftop offers a spacious and tranquil infinity pool with stunning open views. Residents and guests can enjoy year-round use of the pool, thanks to its temperature control that ensures perfect temperatures every day. With luxurious cabanas, cozy outdoor seating areas, and a dedicated barbecue space, your rooftop experience becomes a retreat for relaxation and social gatherings. For those seeking enrichment, explore the Leo's Da Vinci Art Academy, Leo's Dance Studio, and Leo's Boxing Academy. Stay connected with our concierge service via the Leo's app and enjoy 24-hour security for your peace of mind. Discover the exclusive offerings of Weybridge Gardens 3, featuring 3 unique unit types, all crafted to the highest British standards. 119 studios, with living spaces ranging from 464 to 517 square feet, starting at 599,000 dirhams. Each studio boasts a private balcony, perfect for relaxing and enjoying your space. 34 one-bedroom apartments, with living spaces between 930 and 948 square feet, starting at 1.03 million dirhams. These residences come with their own private pool, offering a touch of luxury and privacy. 55 three-bedroom apartments, spanning from 1,314 to 1,570 square feet, starting at 1.52 million dirhams. Each home features a private pool, providing an elevated living experience with ample space for comfort and relaxation. At Weybridge Gardens 3, every detail is designed to provide you with unparalleled luxury and convenience. Leos is the official Premier League partner of AFC Bournemouth. Excellence through design.